Amidst the vibrant chaos of the school playground, Nkauj Lig and Tub Keej stand frozen. Two small figures in a world of their own. The playground buzzes with joyful screams and laughter, a stark contrast to the quiet tension of their first encounter. Children dart around them, lost in games, oblivious to the momentous connection beginning to form between Nkauj Lig and Tub Keej. Their eyes meet, a silent acknowledgement passing between them, a connection forged amidst the lively backdrop. Awkwardly facing each other, they are an island of stillness in a sea of youthful exuberance. The world fades away as their attention locks. Two young souls drawn together by an unspoken promise. Sunlight floods the classroom as Tub Keej confidently tackles a complex math problem, his voice ringing with assurance. Dust motes dance in the golden light, framing Tub Keej's focused expression as he masters the equation. Across the room, Nkauj Lig's brow furrows in frustration, her pen a nervous drum against her notebook. Lost in the difficult concepts, Nkauj Lig stares at the blackboard, a picture of confusion and growing anxiety. The teacher's explanation seems only to deepen Nkauj Lig's struggle, her eyes reflecting a mounting sense of defeat. In the school playground, Nkauj Lig sits alone on a swing, her figure silhouetted against the bright afternoon sun. Her head is bowed, the chains of the swing creaking softly, as she exudes an aura of deep dejection. Tub Keej notices her from afar, his expression shifting with concern as he approaches her. His footsteps are hesitant, careful not to startle her as he closes the distance between them. The aroma of Hmong cooking fills Nkauj Lig's home as Tub Keej arrives, sunlight cutting through the air. Tub Keej's cheerful voice breaks the silence. "Nkauj Lig, are you free to play?" Nkauj Lig's reply is firm. "I can't. I have math homework to do." Tub Keej offers help, his tone earnest. "I can help you with your math homework." Sunlight streams in, illuminating the dust motes dancing in the air as they consider the task ahead. Tub Keej leans intently over Nkauj Lig's math homework, brow furrowed in deep concentration. His pen dances across the page, solving complex problems with swift, assured strokes. Nkauj Lig watches him, her eyes wide with amazement, a silent witness to his brilliance. A look of awe and admiration shines in her eyes as she observes Tub Keej's effortless skill. His focus remains unbroken, lost in the world of numbers, a beacon of intelligence in her eyes. Under the warm, late afternoon sun, Nkauj Lig and Tub Keej fill the school playground with laughter. Their carefree joy echoes as they chase each other, their bond deepening with every shared game. Swinging high, they exchange bright, mischievous smiles, reveling in the simple pleasure of friendship. The playground becomes their world, a safe haven of innocent fun and budding connection. In this vibrant scene of childhood bliss, Nkauj Lig and Tub Keej's friendship blossoms. Sunlight streams into the classroom, illuminating the chalkboard where Nkauj Lig confidently solves a math problem. A bright, genuine smile lights up Nkauj face as she grasps the solution, a testament to her hard work. The classroom buzzes with quiet encouragement as Nkauj demonstrates her newfound math skills. Nkauj points to the solved equation, her eyes shining with pride and accomplishment. The once challenging math problems now yield to Nkauj determined efforts. Her success radiates through the room, inspiring her classmates with her dedication. Sunlight bathes the school playground as Nkauj and Nkauj share secrets, their laughter echoing through the air. Autumn leaves swirl around them as they work together on a swing, determination etched on their young faces. Winter snow glistens as they build a snowman, their bond deepening with each passing season. Spring blossoms frame their faces as they sit side by side, offering silent support and understanding. Years melt away in a montage of shared moments, their friendship a constant amidst life's changing landscape. Amidst the lively chaos of the school cafeteria, Nkauj and Nkauj share a table, an island of quiet amidst the storm. They sit opposite each other, lunch spread between them, a silent language passing in shared glances. A playful energy surrounds them as their friends gather, their laughter echoing in the high-ceilinged room. Teasing glances and knowing smiles hint at a connection deeper than friendship, a budding romance in plain sight. Nkauj and Nkauj exchange shy smiles, their faces flushed with a mixture of embarrassment and affection. Under the warm sun, Nkauj and Nkauj stroll through the park, their hands intertwined. They approach the serene lake, the sunlight dancing on the water's surface. With playful smiles, they pick up smooth stones, ready to skip them across the water. Each stone creates ripples, mirroring the joy and lightness of their shared moment. Warm light envelops Nkauj home as Nkauj sits with her, a math textbook open between them. They lean in close, brows furrowed in intense concentration as they navigate the complex equations. Nkauj points to a challenging problem, his expression filled with encouragement and support. Nkauj nods thoughtfully, absorbing his explanation, her eyes reflecting determination. She picks up her pencil, ready to tackle the problem, a glint of resolve shining in her eyes. The room glows with the warmth of shared learning and quiet ambition. Under a star-strewn sky, Nkauj and Nkauj sit together, their faces turned towards the celestial display. Soft starlight bathes the playground, casting long shadows and whispering secrets between the two young lovers. Nkauj gently nudges a small, carefully wrapped gift towards Nkauj. The gift symbolizes their commitment. A voice whispers, unseen but ever present. The quiet offering speaks volumes, a silent promise under the vast, watchful night. Sunlight paints the church in vibrant hues as Nkauj and Nkauj stand before the altar, youthful figures ready to commit. Stained glass casts kaleidoscopic patterns on their faces as they begin to exchange their vows. Family and friends fill the pews, a sea of smiling faces, reflecting pure joy and familial pride. Toucan gazes at Nkauj Lig, his eyes reflecting a universe of youthful affection and unwavering devotion. Nkauj Lig returns his loving gaze, her own eyes sparkling with promise and shared dreams for their future. Sunlight filters through the leaves, casting dappled shadows on Toucan and Nkauj Lig as they enter the school playground. Familiar swings and slides stand silent, holding echoes of laughter and childhood games. They pause beneath an old oak, its gnarled branches reaching skyward like ancient arms. Etched into the trunk, their initials bear witness to years of shared dreams and secrets. Toucan and Nkauj Lig exchange smiles, a silent language of understanding passing between them. The playground, a canvas of memories, frames their reunion in a nostalgic embrace. Toucan and Nkauj Lig, young and radiant, stand at the altar, their faces glowing with youthful joy. The small church is filled with the aroma of fresh flowers, a testament to new beginnings and shared hopes. Sunlight streams through stained glass windows, casting colorful patterns on the couple and the altar. They exchange vows, their voices trembling with emotion, promising a future filled with love and commitment. Their eyes meet, reflecting a shared dream and an unbreakable bond, sealing their fate in a sacred space, bathed in the warm glow of the setting sun. Toucan and Nkauj Lig stand in a vast field, their silhouettes etched against the vibrant sky. The golden light paints the landscape, casting long shadows that stretch and blend, mirroring the depth of their connection. They turn to each other, their eyes reflecting the fiery hues of the sunset, a silent promise passing between them. In a tender embrace, Toucan and Nkauj Lig symbolize their enduring love, a testament to their unwavering commitment under the fading light.
Hi, we are the mom children of Mom AI Revolution. Please stop by and support our channel by subscribing to our channel. We are working hard to bring you more kids stories, songs, and future learning.
HMong AI Revolution. Stories, songs, future learning. Where stories sing with AI.